to Weather Center Live. We're continuing to monitor the radar right now, where we've been seeing some heavy rain across southwestern and central parts of Missouri. This is lifting northward, which is some good news. And then you can see the snowy conditions on the backside of this across parts of Nebraska and back into Wyoming. Nothing severe right now, but flood warnings are beginning to be issued across parts of Missouri and northern parts of Arkansas. The concern is later this afternoon as our atmosphere heats up and becomes more unstable, and that we could get some severe weather breaking out across the Boot Heel, Missouri, along the Ohio River Valley. And then this area is capped right now, but we could get some thunderstorms busting through that as we head towards the evening hours. Now, one of the big concerns, in addition to the threat of tornadoes, is that we could get some really large hail with these thunderstorms. And notice the high potential of hail an inch or greater in diameter. There you can see it from Oklahoma City down through southern parts of Missouri and stretching into southern parts of Indiana as well. We want to get more on the difference between a watch and we mentioned those strong updrafts just a minute ago, and that's what we need to get some big hail makers. And while all three of the major forms of severe weather will be possible later on today and tonight, hail, large hail, an inch or greater in diameter is probably most probable across the region and most widespread. Take a look at this large area of real estate. Everybody in purple here could at least see small hail, but your best chance of getting the stuff that causes damage or possibly even injury is going to be right here into parts of Oklahoma, as well as into Arkansas, southern parts of Missouri, including you and Cape Girardeau, southern parts of Illinois, and into western Kentucky, including Owensboro and Louisville as well. So these updrafts will carry all that moisture that we've been talking about up to tens of thousands of feet into the atmosphere, where the air is much colder, in fact below freezing. So all those little water droplets suddenly turn into ice and collect on top of each other like layers of an onion as it continues to move up and down in the updrafts and downdrafts of a thunderstorm. So hail, about a quarter of an inch in diameter, pea-sized hail needs an updraft of about 35 miles per hour. An inch or quarter-size hail needs updrafts around 50 miles per hour. Look at how this goes up incrementally. To get softball-sized hail, you would need an updraft of 100 miles per hour, and that can be